everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. This is Mohit. So in this video, we will discuss, will AI replace QA job completely? If you are active on social media or if you are active on LinkedIn, so I could see many hypes going on. In future, there is no QA job will be there. So this is what going on, and this is the most debatable topic nowadays days, guys. Okay, so watch this video till end. If you are a manual tester or if you are a automation test engineer, I will give you my thoughts. The people who is working as a QA from long time, they understand the system, they understand the process, and they should not worry. Okay, so mainly the problem, who is facing this problem, the who is like people having the less knowledge, or I can say the less experience, because they did not work with the multiple project. Okay, so we'll come on the topic. So guys, the first thing, AI will never replace human intervention. So I can give you one example. Suppose you are working in any client. Okay, so the client will never disclose their data. Understood, right? So you are using chat gpt. So chat gpt, or what the AI tools we have, every AI tools, they have a collected the data. When you are giving the prompt as an input, you are getting the output. Those output is coming from the data. So just you can think, your client have a one application, what their business we have, they will they disclose those data publicly or not? The answer is 95% no, because they want, if you guys are working in the organization, then you can see how they are much, when we have a too much restriction, we cannot disclose client data in public place. Understood, right? So you guys can think, is it possible? One more thing, guys, AI will increase your productivity. Okay, so AI will never replace the human behavior. We have a many complex application, multiple complex application. We cannot do 100% automation as well. Understood, right? So might be we have a five resources. If someone is trained with generative AI or many other tools, might be their productivity will increase. In the less time, we can do more work. Who will survive in IT industry? The people who is upgrading a skills. Okay, if you are a manual tester, please start to learn automation. The people who is only depend upon the codeless automation tools, your job will be replaced. You must know programming. you know as a test engineers, we should not become a expertise and a scratch coder. At least we have a basics knowledge of programming. At least we have a basics knowledge of UI framework like Selenium, like Playwright. Understood, right? Like UI framework. So please do not worry about, you know your job will gone. Many people, they have lost their job because these guys did not upgrade their skill set. Nowadays days, UI and API, you know automation is mandatory. If you are not from the programming background, please start to learn any programming like Java, Python, JavaScript. If you are a beginner, then you can pick any language. Okay, and find the framework like Selenium, Playwright, or whatever. You have a codeless automation knowledge, that is fine, because tools will replaceable. Okay, might be today we are using this tool, but programming will not replace. That concept is, you can just extract the code from the chat gpt, how they have developed backend. We have a Python code, guys. So please, your target is to learn the programming in the future, if you will get any task related to programming, not only for automation or scripting, any task, so you are able to do it, you can learn quickly. So this is my thoughts, guys. I have worked with many complex application. We cannot automate, we cannot disclose all the data. Okay, so we have a high risk. So those scenario, we have a people to execute the test manually, might be 20%, 30%, 50%, but we require the QA engineer, we require the people how they can think like users. This all the things is not repressible. Okay, so this is my thoughts. If you have any concern, what is your thoughts, please comment on this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. So in the next video, bye bye.